Hello, today we're going to review the search button. So we'll go ahead and click on the search button. There are two options currently. The first option is for invoice, and this is for sometimes when a client makes a payment, the client's address or their check doesn't match up perfectly or at all to what's in QuickBooks or what we have on record, and we'd have no way of knowing which account to post the check against. So, and the only reference we have is the check number written on the check. So if you would, we're going to use the example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 as the reference number written on the check, and then we just click search, and you'll see this was the check. That check was for a project by a friends group called Central Perk, and it was for consulting and for $100. So that's the invoice search. This next option is a project search. So this is what the purpose of this is. Sometimes, or about once a week, we'll get a call and someone will be asking about a job, but they don't know the job name. They just know the address. So here we can find a job by the address. So I'll just show you. You can either use street or city, and so for first search, I'll use an example. I'm just going to type in San, just part of the city name, and if I click in search, and two options came up, one in San Francisco, one project in San Diego. If I double click, or if I just click on the option, and it'll take us straight to that project. So that's a pretty handy. I actually see this quite a bit where I right now currently don't have a way to search jobs by address, but with this we can. So we'll go ahead and we'll clear, and we'll do here for the street. I'll just, instead of putting the street number, I'll just put part of the street address, and we'll click search, and we see the Warriors project on 1 Warriors Way, and if I click there, it takes us to it. Very handy features when trying to find jobs when people are referencing them and they're not using references that we know. And that wraps it up for the search button.